The average individual will be seen to living this over in the nearest graveyard.
Yeah.
Some of us have been through some things that the average individual would have never made it through. But if it had not been for the Lord that was on my side, oh God, I feel something here now.
Come on.
If it had not been for him, I would not be able to stand in the place that I'm in. Many of you have the testimony that you would not be able to sit in the place that you're in. But being that God was able to bring you out of what you were in, he put you out of the hands of the devil who thought he had you, but he put you in a place with him that you are clothed and even in your right mind, where you did not have, but yet you have. May not have all that you want.
Come on.
Say, God, I'm working with something. As long as I got something, and little becomes much, and much becomes greater when I put things in God's hands. And my life now is in his hands. And now that your life is in his hands, the devil wants to take you out. I'm going back up here because y'all I start praying, y'all about to try to make me go here.
Ah.
You work.